Hello, Noah. I'm a little punchy today. Do you think Noah's going to watch this? What's your subjective probability? What's the subjective probability of Noah watching this? What do we all think?
It's 35% chance.
Oh, Nathan says 35%. Natalie? 50%. She's got a little bit more faith than Nathan or in Noah. Justin?
I got a .02.
0.02. Ooh, 2%.
That's a 40.
40%. Okay. I mean, I don't know where I rank Noah, but please let us know. If you do watch this, let us know. And if you don't watch this, we'll just assume you'll never bring it up. Okay? Awesome. Actually, if you watch this, please come to me because I'd like to give you a prize for watching it and being made fun of for the first, 1 minute of the video. In a very loving way. Very loving, Noah. Okay. So 2 events are mutually exclusive if they can't happen at the same time. So this is not like independent and dependent. This is about things occurring at the same moment in time. So here's a picture. 2 things are mutually exclusive. They are separate. Here's A, here's B. Can't happen at the same time. Or it could be like this, A and B, like a Venn diagram where there's like a shaded area. So these are mutually exclusive, and these are not mutually exclusive, which feels weird that the one where they can't happen at the same time is mutually exclusive. Think about it like, have you heard, like, if you're dating somebody, they'll say, we're exclusive? Has anybody heard that phrase when it comes to dating?
Yes.
What does it mean?
Means you're like not talking to anyone else.
Right, you're not,
We're not fully labeling it.
right, we're not fully, but we're exclusive. That means if you're exclusive, it means, yeah, you might not be a girlfriend-boyfriend situation or whatever, or girlfriend-girlfriend or boyfriend-boyfriend or whatever it is. You may not be there yet, but you're not seeing anyone else. You're not gonna date around. You're kind of into them and into only them, even if you don't wanna label it. So exclusive means separate here, that they can't happen at the same time. Not mutually exclusive means mix it up. All right. Mutually exclusive or not mutually exclusive? You tell me. Actually, we really do need partners for this today. Who was partners with Noah? Cool. You're partners with Georgia today. All right, just scoot over. Scoot your partner. Do some scoots. There you go. All right. So, mutually exclusive or not mutually exclusive? Selecting a blood donor with type O blood or selecting a female blood donor. Can those things happen at the same time? Could I select some blood donor that is female and has type O blood? Yes. So that means this is not a mutually exclusive event.
So if I was just to write not M-E without like the dots, what would it like just say not me, right?
Yep.
So then would that still mean not move?
Can you just put the dots in?
Do I have to put
Just put the dots in. Do you know this conversation is so much longer than you putting the dots in?
Well, I'm
Okay.
oh.
So next, randomly selecting a jack from a standard deck of cards or randomly selecting a face card. Do you guys know what a face card is?
Yeah. King, queen.
Or a jack. In fact, a jack is a face card, so these are definitely not mutually exclusive. Yeah, I went a little happy with the periods there. I even put one after not. You know.
No.
This is actually stands for Nottingham, Maryland. No. The addition rule is the or rule. So if the word or is in a probability problem, you're going to add, and then you're going to subtract the overlap. So if it's the probability of A and B, that's the probability of A. times the probability of B given that A already happened. But if it's A or B, it's the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the overlap, which is the probability of A and B happening, which I'll explain in just a moment. Or means add and subtract, and means multiply.
No.
Okay. I'm going to try A and C with you, and then you're going to try B and D, okay? All right, so let's start with A and C. A, a dice is rolled. Find the probability of rolling a 6 or an odd number. Okay. Something plus something minus something. What's the probability of rolling a 6? 1/6. What's the probability of getting an odd number? 3 out of 6 or 1/2. Okay, is there any overlap? Is there any time when you can roll a 6 and an odd number at the exact same moment? No, so this is 0 out of 6, there's nothing to subtract here. So my answer is 4 out of 6, or reduced, that would be 2/3. Let's try C together. Adding two things, subtracting something. All right. If I roll 2 dice, what's the probability that I will get a double? You're right, it is 6 out of 36, but let's write it down for the rest of us. So double 1s, double 2s, double 3s, double 4s, double 5s, and double 6s. Those are all the choices. And do you remember how we know that it's 36 choices total?
6 on each dice.
Right, 6 on the first one, 6 on the second one. 6 times 6 is 36. So doubles is 6 out of 36. That's for doubles. All right, how about a sum of 8? What adds up to 8? 4 and 4, 2 and 6, 6 and 2, 5 and 3, 3 and 5. Anything else? No? So that's what, 5 out of 36? But do you see how the double 4s got counted in both category?
Yes.
So it's like we double counted them, and we shouldn't have. So we're going to subtract the overlap, which is 1 out of 36. Those double 4s we counted twice, which makes 10 out of 36 is our final answer, or 5 out of 18. All right, let's get you guys some prizes.